Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Vivi Vidari. I'm from English Department Study Program UIN Raden Intan Lampung, and right now I would like to explain about my learning media. First, I will show you how to make this learning media, and after that I will practice teaching with using this media. This media will be used for young learners or kindergarten. I will teach about vocabulary around us. With using this media, they will learn about vocabulary with the picture, how to spell the vocabulary with the right way, and how to read it. Okay, let's get started. After you prepare the ingredients, right now you can cut the pictures with using the scissors. You can color it using the marker here. I use the blue one for color the alphabet B. Yes, I already colored all of the alphabet. Then stamp it using the color pushpin. Here I use the yellow one to spin the A alphabet. Tada! The alphabet spinner is ready to use. Hello students, good morning. Morning, Miss. How are you today? You're good, John? Oh, I see. You look so happy today. How about you, honey? Oh, you're fine. Jessica, you're not good? Why? Why you are not good today? You lose your pencil? I'm so sorry to hear that. Hopefully, your pencil can be found. Okay, don't be sad because we will have fun today. Before that, we have to pray. Okay, let's get pray it. Start. Finish. Okay, I will show you something. Do you want to know? Okay. I have something for you. Do you know? What is it? No one's know? Okay, I will tell you. Its name is spinner alphabet. Yeah, spinner alphabet because it can spin. Yeah. Today we're gonna learn about vocabulary around us using this spinner. Okay, we'll start the lesson. The first alphabet is, yeah, that's right, A. A. The first vocabulary, A is ant. Ant. Repeat after me. Ant. Yeah. Spell it together, okay? A and T. Yes, that's good. Can you repeat again, John? A and T. Yes, smart. Spin again. A corn. Yeah, Jessica, you want to spell it? Okay, let's try. A. C. That's good. O. R. N. Yes, that's great, Jessica. And then, ta-da! This is fruit. Who wants to know this? Yeah, honey, you're right. Apple. Apple. Okay, spell it together. A double P L E. Apple. Yeah. Second, after A, B. Yes, B. B. What is that? Who knows? Yeah, broccoli. That's right. Broccoli. Broccoli. Can you spell it? Yes, that's right. B R O C C O L I. Broccoli. That's great. Spin again. Ooh. Who knows about this? You want to try again, John? Okay. Mention, what is that? Yeah, bag. That's right. Okay. We spell it together, yeah? B A G. Bag. That's good. Okay, spin again. Butterfly. Yeah, do you like butterfly? I see. Jessica, you want to spell it? No? Why? Okay. We spell it together, right? B U double T E R F L Y. Butterfly. Great. Spin it again. Ooh, John, do you like it? You always play this one. Okay. Ball. Ball. B A double L. Ball. Smart. Banana. Banana. Do you want to spell it, honey? Okay. B A N A N A. Banana. What's the color of this fruit? Yellow. Great. Beer. 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 Yeah. You have this one in your house, Jessica? B E A R. Beer. Okay, good job. The next alphabet. Who knows about the next alphabet? After A, B, and then what? Yeah, C. That's right, C. C. Ooh, you all like this animal? I am too. I like this animal too. Yes, cat. Repeat after me. Cat. Yeah, that's good. C-A-T. Cat. Great. Spin again. Car. Car. Yeah. C-A-R. Car. Okay, that's great. The next vocabulary for C is cake. Cake. That's right, cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. That's good. The next is carrot. What? Yeah, carrot. Spell together. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Great. Spin again. Ooh. Crab. Crab. Spell it together. C-R-A-B. Crab. No P me. Oh yeah, that's right. No P, but B. That's good, John. B. Okay, repeat again. C-R-A-B. Crab. That's great. Yeah, the next vocabulary for C is chair. What? Chair. That's great. C-H-A-I-R. Car. Yeah, car. Okay, the next alphabet is, what's that? E? No, no, no. Yeah. Jessica, you're right. D. D. Okay. Yes, this is animal. Do you know about this animal? Yeah. You find this in the farm. Okay, that's great. What is that? Yeah, that's right. Duck. Duck. Spell it together. D-U-C-K. Duck. How about this one? Yes, dog. D-O-G. Dog. That's great. Yeah, so beautiful. This dress is so beautiful. Yeah, that's right. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. What's the color of this dress? No rats. It's pink. Yeah, pink. Do you like pink, Jessica? Yeah, I see. The next one is drum. Yeah, drum. Spell it together. D-R-U-M. Drum. Yeah, drum. Clever. Ooh, how about this one? Yes. Deer. Deer. want to try spell it? Okay. Let's start. D double E R. Deer. Yes, that's great. Okay. Right now you have to know about vocabulary around you. So if you find something around you, you can mention it with English, okay? Yeah, that's great. Who's still about the vocabulary for the alphabet B? Jessica? Yeah, broccoli. How about D, John? Drum. Do you like play drums? Yeah. Okay. Hopefully you can remember about the vocabulary and you can mention with the right pronounce. Okay. Before we close the class, let's close with pray. Let's get started. Finish. Thank you. Goodbye. That's the video. Hopefully this video and this media can help you much while teaching English for young learners. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.